In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a post or page in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to create an exact copy of your existing content efficiently. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation menu. Clicking this will take you to a list of your WordPress sites. Next, select the specific site from which you want to duplicate a post or page. Locate the site you wish to work with and click on its name. This action will direct you to the dashboard of that particular site where you can manage your content. After this, you may need to finish setting up your site if prompted. Look for a button that says Finish Setup and click on it. This is essential to gain full access to your site's editing features. Once you see the site dashboard, look for a button that says Close and click on it to exit any setup prompts. You will now be back on the main dashboard where you can manage your posts and pages. Now, find the plus icon, typically located in the upper section of the dashboard. Click on this icon to initiate the process of adding new content. This is where you will begin the duplication of your existing post or page. Next, locate the search bar within the content area and click on it. This will allow you to search for the specific post or page you want to duplicate. Type in the title of the post or page you wish to duplicate. For example, you can enter blog post if that is the title of the content you want to copy. After typing, press enter to execute the search. Once the search results appear, find the section labeled blog posts and click on it. This will display all blog posts available on your site, allowing you to identify the post you want to duplicate. Look for the 3 vertical dots next to the post you wish to duplicate. Click on these dots to reveal additional options related to that post. Finally, click on the option labeled Duplicate. This action will create a copy of the selected post or page, which you can then edit and publish as needed. You should see a confirmation or indication that the duplication was successful before proceeding. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.